Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Let me fix my clothes because I'm looking a little raggedy here. Anyway, hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. We are already into the month of February. I don't know where January went, but it's gone. And we just gonna move along with the time. So we all know February is Black History Month. We got Valentine's Day going on this month. Anyway, I wanted to get on here and talk to you guys about my January. So I'm gonna sit down and basically talk to you guys about, what I did in January, and just my January month in general. So this is gonna be me talking back to you guys, or talking to you guys, so you guys can get an insight on what my head is and how my 2020 is going. So anyway, if you guys are interested, stay tuned to the remainder of the video. You already know what I'm about to say. Stop right now, subscribe, and put on your post notification bells so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And let's just get right into this video. Like I said, we're already in the month of February, so I'm just going to do like a recap for you guys for my month of January. We all know January went by so fast. I know people that took a break from YouTube in January. People were getting their goals and all of that good old stuff set for the month of January for the remainder of the year. But what I decided to do was to take a break. I took a break mentally, physically, emotionally, just all in general. I took a break. I consider my break to be lazy because I was very lazy for the month of January. I'm the type of person where I can think of things and say I'm going to do this, and this, and I just never execute it. I am a procrastinator. I am a liar, if you want to call me that, because I'm always saying what I'm going to do and I never do it. Anyway. So I kind of wrote down some of the things that I want to talk to you guys about my month of January. So basically for the month of January, spiritually for the month of January, I was on a fast for church. Every January we fast. Every day or every week the fast pertains to something different. So I participated in the fast for the whole month of January. So for the first 3 weeks of January, it's only 3 weeks, but for the first month out of my year, I fast, and that fast was well needed spiritually. I'm the type of person where I hold a lot of things in. I don't really communicate well. I really don't talk to people as often, but I do know that I can talk to God whenever I need him. But yes, I fasted for the whole month of January. It was well needed. It was a very accomplished fast. It was very hard and difficult, but I got it done, you guys. So if you guys don't know what fasting is, I'll leave my interpretation of what fasting is somewhere on the screen or in the description bar down below. But if you are spiritual and not knowing what your religion is, I fasted for the month of January. I do go to church every Sunday and Thursday, church on Sundays, Bible class on Thursdays. So I find myself to be a very spiritual person. I've been raised in the church my entire life. I've been raised in the church. So, yes, I participated in the fast. It was well needed. And I just took a break. Like, mentally, I took a break. And doing that fast, I learned a lot of things. I talked to God. And I decided on some things I needed to do, some things I needed to change, some things I needed to accomplish. Yes, the entire month of January, I fasted. Not only did I fast, I decided to set some, I don't even really want to say goals, but I set some milestones for myself on what I wanted to do with my life, financially, career-wise, health-wise. So I wrote some things down on paper. I wrote some things down in my brain on what I wanted to do and what I wanted to accomplish for this entire year. Like I said, I don't know if you want to call them goals. They're goals for some people, but I don't want to say goals for me. I just feel like they're milestones that I want to reach and I want to accomplish. So health-wise, faith-wise, financially, I set some milestones that I want to accomplish and achieve. Not only that, I do have 2 sons, and they are getting older, so I decided to want to, you know, bond more with them. They are boys, I'm a girl, and I'm trying to get on their level and find out the things that they are interested in, things that they want to do, and just connect with them more. You know, boys, my sons are 9 and 12. Well, one will be 12 this month, but I just had one that turned 9 on the 20th of January. Oh my God, you guys. If you guys have children, leave in the comment section down below if you all can feel what I'm talking about. But children, each child is different, even though you don't expect them to be the same. But I mean, it's always that second child or that middle child that is so different from your first. I love him to death. He is just a handful, but I wouldn't have it any other way. Anyway, so I want to bond more with my children and get on a level with them to where we can understand each other more. Besides that, I also did some YouTube thinking and changes. I decided what I wanted to focus on my channel this year. I actually created a new banner, a new logo, a new theme song, a new intro and outro. So I tried to focus on my YouTube channel more. And if you all don't know, I do work full-time. So YouTube is not a side hustle because I'm not making money from YouTube, but YouTube is like my escape from my job that I'm just not too happy with. Anyway, I love doing YouTube. I love filming videos. I love getting on camera and talking to you guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. I wouldn't change it for anything else in the world. I do eventually want to be more consistent and eventually go full-time with YouTube. I don't know, but I've been doing a lot of thinking around my YouTube channel, my page, my image, my brand, all of the good old stuff. I've worked on that. Not only did I do that, let's see what else I got wrote down. I mean, the month of January was just a relaxation month for me. Like, no joke. When it came to everything, I was just being so lazy. But I took it as not just lazy, but getting my thoughts together, working on me. So for the whole 2020 or this new decade, I decided to put God first, work on myself, and then worry about others. So in that order, literally. And I just came from church, and it just gave me revelation on everything that I was thinking and going through for this month of January. And I'm very serious with what I'm saying. I am going to put God first. So I want to be more spiritually connected with God, whether that's praying, fasting, reading my Bible, learning my word, getting into my word even more. So I wanted to put God first. Then I want to focus on myself. I feel like if you don't have yourself together, if you don't love yourself, if you don't know yourself, how can anyone else? And how can you return that to someone else? So I can't give my full love, trust, and all of that if I don't have those things or know those things within myself. So I want to work more on myself this year, focus on Quamika, get Quamika together, know what I like, what I dislike, what I want, what I don't want, what makes me happy, what makes me sad. Just know Quamika fully. And once I figure out and work and know what Quamika wants, then I can transfer that over to helping other people and getting to know other people and loving on other people. And that's just the cycle that I'm working on right now. God, self, others, basically. Anyway, that's basically it. I just wanted to get on here and give you guys a recap of my January. I didn't do much. So if you all have anything you would like to say, leave it in the comment section down below. Any questions or comments, just leave it in the comment section down below. But if you all like this video, I'm thinking about doing these videos once a month, just letting you guys know how my month went, what I got accomplished, what I didn't get accomplished, what I did, what I didn't do, what I like, what I didn't like, you know, just an overall month update for you guys. So if you guys like today's video, please hit that like button, please share, please comment, please subscribe, and put on your post notification bells so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.